Hi guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to give you a very quick rundown on snacks. Some of my favorite snacks for after school or for any time during the day really, but also the sorts of snacks that you maybe want to avoid because they don't work too well for you. And those sorts of things are the types of foods that break down really quickly into sugars, get absorbed straight into your bloodstream, and then from there the sugars get absorbed straight into your cells because our bodies don't like having too much sugar in our bloodstream for very long. Now, the types of foods that do this are things like white bread, biscuits, cakes, rice crackers, plain rice crackers, anything that has been processed that doesn't really look anything like it used to look, anything that's maybe been deep fried, or the baked not fried crackers that are supposed to be better for you, they're still not really better for you. All that sort of stuff, you eat it breaks down quickly, and because it gets absorbed so quickly, you find half an hour or an hour after eating it you are hungry again. Now, if you've come home from school, you're super hungry, maybe you didn't eat enough at school, maybe it's a long gap between when you had lunch and by the time you got home, you have a quick snack and then an hour later you're hungry, you get back to the pantry or back to the kitchen to try and eat some more, and quite possibly your mum or your dad or your older siblings, whoever's doing the cooking, says, "No, you're not allowed to eat anymore. I'm getting dinner ready now. You don't need anything. You'll ruin your dinner." But you're starved, so that can cause problems or fights or whatever. But a big part of it is the choices that you made earlier in the afternoon, and the food that you ate really didn't keep you going or didn't keep you feeling full enough until dinner time. So with that in mind, I've put together just a quick little slideshow because, I'm getting so excited by my fancy abilities using video editor. They're really basic, you can tell when you have a look at it, but that's not the point. The point is, this is just a quick little slideshow of the types of foods that will actually keep you feeling fuller for a little bit longer. Some of them are a little bit more meal-like, some of them are perfect little snacks, but there's just a bunch of things. Take a look, see what sort of things appeal to you, and get a little bit more creative in the kitchen. That's all you need to do. Get a bit more creative with your afternoon snacks, see what you can find that works well for you, and try something different and new. All right, that's it for now for 5 minutes of food. Enjoy my little slideshow, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.